Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rahim S. Abdullah and I'm going to report the influence line in structural engineering. Influence line for beams. In the realm of structural engineering, the ability to predict and comprehend the behavior of the structures under varying loads is paramount. One of the most powerful tools for achieving this understanding is the concept of influence line. These graphical representations provide the engineers with invaluable insight into how internal forces within a structure evolve in response to the movement of loads. Influence line for beams. Influence line shows graphically for how of a unit loads across a structure influence some functions such as reactions, shears, moments, force, and deflections. Influence line may be defined as a diagram whose ordinates show the magnitude and character of some function of structure as a unit loads moves across the structure. Each ordinate of the diagram gives the value of the function when the load is that point. Influence line for beams. Influence diagram is very useful for moving loads. It is used to determine where to place the loads to cause maximum values as a function and then compute the values. So, influence line are graphically representations used in structural engineering to analyze the effects of moving loads on a structure. They depict how the internal forces within the structure, such as bending moment or yung tinatawag nating moment force, shear force, or axial force, vary in a response to the movement of unit load along the length of the structure. Ibig sabihin daw, doon malalaman kung ano yung mga the movement of a unit load along the length of the structure, yung mga moving loads, yung mga dumadaan o yung mga nakapatong na gumagalaw doon sa isang structure. So by plotting these variations at the different points along the structure's span, engineers can identify critical locations where the internal forces are maximized or minimized. So properties of influence line. Number 1. The value of a function due to a single concentrated moving loads equal to the magnitude multiplied by the ordinate of an influence line. So let's say the green bar is the beam and then the red arrows represent as the force. So you just simply multiplied the magnitude of the load and by the ordinate of the influence diagram. The value of a function due to several concentrated moving loads equal to the algebraic sum of the effect of each load described in property. So in this case, we have three concentrated loads na nakapatong sa beams. So by simply adding it para makuha yung resultant. The value of a function due to a uniform distributed load equals the product of weight, which is yung W, and the area of the influence line under the uniform load. So this time naman it is a uniformly distributed load. So scope, the influence line diagram for reaction, shear, moment in statically determinate beams. So that's all for about so thank you, and that's all.